Number 1. Let's forget about that. Let's forget about that. Number 2. Let's forget about this. Let's forget about this. Number 3. Let's go someplace else. Let's go someplace else. Number 4. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else. Number 5. May I ask you something? May I ask you something? Number 6. May I borrow your knife? May I borrow your knife? Number 7. May I see your passport? May I see your passport? Number 8. May I stay here tonight? May I stay here tonight? Number 9. Maybe she will not come. Maybe she will not come. Number 10. Mind if I join you guys? Mind if I join you guys? Number 11. Money is not everything. Money is not everything. Number 12. Most of us will do that. Most of us will do that. Number 13. My brother plays guitar. My brother plays guitar. Number 14. My front tooth fell out. My front tooth fell out. Number 15. My mother made me a bake. My mother made me a bake. Number 16. My uncle came to see me. My uncle came to see me. Number 17. No one cares about that. No one cares about that. Number 17. No one cares about that. No one cares about that. Number 19. Nobody cares about that. Nobody cares about that. Number 20. None of us speak French. None of us speak French. Number 21. Our climate is changing. Our climate is changing. Number 22. Please call me up later. Please call me up later. Number 23. Please delete this file. Please delete this file. Number 24. Please insert your card. Please insert your card. Number 25. Please keep this secret. Please keep this secret. Number 26. Please leave right away. Please leave right away. Number 27. Please park in the back. Please park in the back. Number 28. Please write with a pen. Please write with a pen. Number 29. Rome is an ancient city. Rome is an ancient city. Number 30. Run as fast as possible. Run as fast as possible. Number 31. She asked me a question. She asked me a question. Number 32. She chose the red dress. She chose the red dress. Number 33. She hates green peppers. She hates green peppers. Number 34. She is very intelligent. She is very intelligent. Number 35. She might come tomorrow. She might come tomorrow. Number 36. She waited for my reply. She waited for my reply. Number 37. She was about to go out. She was about to go out. Number 38. She will love him forever. She will love him forever. Number 39. She's lost her car keys. She's lost her car keys. Number 40. She's not young, is she? She's not young, is she? Number 41. Show me another example. Show me another example. Number 42. Shut the door. Will you shut the door? Will you